to the family, the friends, and the well-wishers. Brothers and sisters, we have gathered together to solemnize the intentions of our brother Jay and sister Ernestine. As a man, seeing her as a rib. Look at the way a rib is. A rib is that which protects the heart and the lungs. Likewise, our women have been for us. Notice too, Brother Jay, that the rib is not underneath the foot or not above your head to rule you, but the rib is right by your side. Beside every good man and strong man has always been a strong woman. Protect her from all harm that may come her way. Well, by the power vested in me by the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
You got me up so high. You got me up so